Okay, today we're going to continue with distribution. So today's going to be distribute K2. Most of them are going to look the same, except for you're definitely going to have those combined like terms. Okay, so if we were to write down the steps again, what would step 1 be? How good you
Distribute. There you go.
Distribute, and what's it mean in basic terms?
Basically,
You multiply.
Yeah, it means multiply.
By the ones in the inside the parentheses.
Okay, what's our step 2?
combine like terms.
Boom.
Ah. Okay.
So, and then step 3?
Subtract or
Add or subtract what?
non-variables or variables.
So the non-variable, okay, or the kid. So some people just remember the kid situation. What's our last step?
Hey. You mean it's the the variable is the kid. The non-variable is the kid.
Divide.
Oh, I thought you were talking about like non-variable and variable.
See,
Oh. Okay, so step 1. We're going to distribute. So negative 2 times 8.
Negative 16x.
Negative 16x. Negative 2 times negative 7.
Plus negative 14.
Plus
14.
Yeah,
I'm
quit,
sorry.
yeah, quit doing that.
I wrote that the right answer wrong, so just say that.
So hey, why you not writing?
Fail.
Come on, man. You ain't been here in 10 years. You didn't show up with no pencil. You better than that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, step 2 is what?
Combine like the terms.
Combine like terms. What can we combine?
The x's.
Yeah, so we can combine this one with this one. So, negative 16 minus 1 is what?
15.
No.
I 17.
Negative 17 plus 14 equals negative 105. Okay, step 3.
Minus 14.
Minus the 14 from both sides.
Negative 119.
Negative 119. Step 4.
Divide.
Divide.
Answer 7.
And the answer is 7. Okay, so if we were to re-look at this, about every time that I write, okay, we have a different step. So we distributed, that's step 1. We combine our like terms, that's step 2. Okay, step 3 is going to add or subtract. In this case, it was subtract. And our last step is going to be to divide. Those are going to be your steps every single time today. Okay, so if you need to write the steps down on your sheet of paper, definitely write the steps down, okay? But they're the same every single time. Some of you guys just need that repetition. Okay, doing it over and over again, and then you get it. Okay? Let's look at number 2. What do we do first?
Which one?
2. Distribute. What do I distribute?
6 times
Parentheses.
6.
Okay, so we're going to distribute the 6. Do not do the 4 plus 6 and put 10 on the outside and then distribute that 10. Okay, we're not doing that. So it's just straight up the 6 that's getting distributed. Okay, so we're going to distribute this. And we can go ahead and drop this 4 down for sure because we're not going to do anything with it right now. Okay, so 6 times 2?
12.
12. And 6 times 6?
36.
36 equals 88. Okay, what's our next step?
36 plus 4.
Combine.
Combine like terms, so 36 plus 4.
40.
Okay, because we can put these two together. We can say this one and this one. It's going to give us 40 plus 12n equals 88. What's our next step gonna be?
Subtract
Subtract what?
the 40.
Yeah. Okay, so if there's no sign in front of a number, what is it?
Addition.
It's addition, so we're gonna do the opposite and say subtraction. 12n,
48.
huh?
48.
48?
Yeah.
Oh, negative 48. No, it's not. Just kidding. Okay, what's our last step?
Divide.
Divide.
The answer is 4.
That equals 4.
Perfect.
This should just remind me like 5th grade when I had Mr. Streeton, like, when we did the, like, multiplication things, like, we'd do ones and then we'd do our twos and like keep them up. every
That's
day.
good.
It was fun. I liked it.
So what you're saying is, I'm fine.
Yeah, and then
That's
like,
what you're saying?
and then-
Oh, shit.
And then when we get to the 12s, we end up going from like, from multiplication to division. You know,
That's fun.
Yeah, it was fun. I never finished it because I started late into the year. Cause I couldn't even like the year.
Okay, let's look at 3. What do we do first? Distribute.
Let's go. Alright.
Okay, so we can go ahead and drop this one down because we're definitely not going to do anything with it right now. Okay, 5 times 1,
5.
5.
Negative 20.
5 times negative 4 is going to be negative 20k equals negative 154. What's step 2?
Combine
Combine like terms. Okay, so what can we combine?
the 1 and the 5.
The 1 and the 5, so 1 plus 5, 6 minus 20k equals negative 154.
Subtract 6 from both sides.
Subtract the 6 from both sides.
160.
Minus 160. And your last step is going to be to divide.
The answer is 8.
8.
Miss Henry, would you believe me that if I said that I used to be a math whiz until I hit middle school?
Yeah,
That's a cap.
you're really good at it. I believe it.
Middle school was the worst.
Yeah, but the past does not dictate the
You
future.
know, I got dropped down. I should be in geometry right now, but like I got dropped down from like pre-algebra in was it 6th grade or 5th grade and to like mid-level math
That's okay. You don't want to be in
because
geometry.
I failed a test. Dude, my brother Cameron's doing like pre-calculus or something.
Yeah, so the more you go, then the more you gotta do in your junior and senior year. So at least if you start at algebra as a freshman, then you don't get that huge push to go to honors and honors geometry and then pre-calc. If you want to, great, but if you start with freshman geometry, then there's really not many more options after that. So it's like pre-calc and everything. So.
No, definitely not doing all that.
Case number 4, we're gonna distribute. So 2 times 8,
16m minus 12 minus 2m equals negative 82.
good job, bud. Alright, 4 division of 7.
Oh, my leg.
You got shit spots?
No, I stretched it out yesterday.
I had shin splits.
I landed on it way
That's
too
fun.
hard, and then I pulled up too fast, and it like stretched.
My shins hurt this morning, but I got soccer last night.
Shins hurt so bad when you hit them. that is the worst pain. You ever got caked in blood?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, 16 minus the 2 is gonna be 14m,
Equals -5.
minus 12, negative 82. Okay, and we're gonna add 12 to both sides.
No.
14m is what? 270. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't feel like that's gonna come out right, does it?
Yeah, and equals -1.
It's -5.
Okay. Then you wouldn't think 14 would
Yo,
divide
I
into
used to think
70.
your stuff was so hard.
Huh?
I used to think your stuff was so hard to me.
It's not that bad.
Bro, why is this very sharp?
Why is it what?
Sharp. I'm not, anyway.
Well, yeah, you're on the
Because
corners.
it cuts you to keep reminding you to don't freaking talk and then you want to sit at the sharp desk. It's supposed to, it's a punishment. I'm like Trenchbull. I got a freaking closet downstairs, so.
Maybe she hides all the kids that must be here.
Yeah. And you thought Isaiah was absent. No.
That's why he's that shed.
Yeah.
Oh.
Better ask about me.
Ooh.
That's creepy.
Text him. Yeah, you're there. I remember one of my teachers back in like the 4th grade made a joke about that, and one of the students wanted to call the cops.
Nobody call the cops on me.
In my dad's,
Because I really got to snap.
in my dad's garage, like his garage, there's an attic, and I fell through the top of it.
Oh my gosh. Have you ever seen National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation?
Yes.
That's what I remember. As soon as you said that, and he like fell through the.
It was so bad.
I mean, it's not funny, but.
Not like
I
I
know that's
fell.
so funny.
I did a little bit one
It
time. I
was
was
so
like,
bad.
walk on the beams. I was putting stuff in the attic, and I'm like, what are the beams? And then I was like, right through the floor.
That hurts.
And he was like, are you kidding me, Ashley? And I was like, sorry.
You know what?
I didn't know.
Have you been to Pine Lake?
Yeah.
Yes, that is
Bro, that 30-foot drop hurt me so bad, cause I did I tried doing a dive, but I did a belly smacker kind of thing, and it hurt so bad. My chest was all red. I was like, oh.
No,
thought
I
it was
only
gonna
did the 20 foot.
blow.
I won't do the 30 foot either. I'm checking out.
Oh, I'm
I did the 30
Huh?
You're leaving them, because
Yep.
we don't wanna hear this.
I did a
You're fine.
backflip by accident.
We're already
It wasn't
done.
even on purpose.
Jace, you are on my board of things to do. I just haven't because I forget about it. But I will do it today. Maybe not today. This weekend for sure. Okay.
I think he in the